Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add tassels to your crochet scarves. In this video I'm going to be adding them to my lobster scarf, and if you're interested in the pattern you can find it linked below. All you need to make these tassels are a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, a crochet hook and yarn. We need to pick a side of the scarf and we're going to add tassels all the way along the bottom. To start, we're going to place our yarn against a measuring tape, and this is where we're going to determine the length of the tassels. And because I wanted mine to be on the shorter side, I measured to around 3 inches and then cut the yarn. The yarn doesn't need to be exactly the measurement. As you can see, mine is roughly 3 inches. At the very end we'll be trimming the tassels, so it doesn't need to be too precise. For each tassel we're going to need 4 pieces of yarn that are the same length. Because the base of my scarf has 28 stitches, and I decided that I wanted a tassel for every other stitch, I needed to cut 56 pieces of yarn to make 14 tassels. If you just want to make one tassel at a time and then add it to the scarf, that's completely fine, but make sure that you cut one extra piece of yarn per tassel so you don't lose the measurement. Here are all of my tassels laid out, and now they're ready to be added to the scarf. We're going to start by inserting our hook into the first stitch. Then we're going to grab all 4 pieces of yarn and pull them through until we've got a loop. This can be a little bit tricky, as you can see I'm clearly struggling, but the first stitch is always the hardest. Once you have your loop, remove your hook, and now pull the rest of the yarn through the loop. Once you have gotten all of your pieces through the loop, pull the yarn to tighten the knot. Moving on to the next tassel, you want to make sure that you're inserting your hook in the same direction as you did last time. For example, I'm inserting my hook from the back to the front and leaving a gap of 1 stitch in between. Now that the second tassel is complete, all you need to do is repeat those same steps until you have tassels all the way along the bottom of your scarf. Once you've finished all of your tassels, you now need to trim them to make sure they're all the same length. After you finish trimming, that side is done, and all you need to do is repeat all of the same steps to the other end of the scarf. And after that, your tassels are done. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to add tassels to your scarves. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another free tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.